Hello, this video is to take baritone and tuba students through number 104 in our Sound Innovations book, theme from the New World Symphony. This video is for after you warm up, so make sure you go warm up first, and then we're going to go really slowly through the whole song, talking about our rhythm, our notes, our fingerings, and then playing. Okay, so when we get started, a couple things to keep in mind. We have lots of slurs through this whole piece. The dotted quarter note and eighth note rhythm happen very frequently, and also dynamics, which we'll touch at the end. So starting off, we're going to look at these first four measures first. Before we even do that, we're going to look at our key signature. We have three flats in our key signature: B flat, E flat, and A flat, making sure those notes are always flatted in this song. So the first four measures, the first thing we're going to look at is the rhythm. Starting out, we have a dotted quarter note. So remember, dotted quarter notes get a beat and a half. Okay. You can also think of it as the same as 3/8 notes. So it's the same as 3/8 notes, but a beat and a half. So if we look at it, this dotted quarter note goes on one. It's 1 and 2. Eighth note on and, 3 and 4 and. Next measure 1 and 2. Eighth note on and. Half note on 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2. Eighth note on and. 3 and, then 4 and. The whole note gets 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're going to clap and count it, meaning we're going to clap on each of the notes and count the rhythm. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Do it one more time. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Up next, we look at the notes. Say the notes with me. G, B flat, B flat, G, F, E flat, F, G, B flat, G, F. Okay, now we're going to say that and we're going to do time along with our fingerings. So ready and go. G, B flat, B flat, G, F, E flat, F, G, B flat, G, F, 2, 3, 4. Do it one more time. Ready and go. G, B flat, B flat, G, F, E flat, F, G, B flat, G, F, 2, 3, 4. Now we're ready to play it. 1 and 2 and ready. Make sure you keep your airstream very consistent. Let's get those slurs this time. One more time. Ready and. All right, moving on to the next four measures. We're going to count and clap it. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you'll notice the rhythm for these measures are very similar than the one before, except this measure is almost flipped. We have the quarter notes first and then the dotted quarter note and eighth note. Let's clap and count these four measures one more time. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Say the notes with me. G, B flat, B flat, G, F, E flat, F, G, F, E flat, E flat. Okay, let's pick up our horn and we're going to finger along and say the notes in time with rhythm. Ready and go. G, B flat, B flat, G, F, E flat, F, G, F, E flat, E flat. 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's play it. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Good. Let's do that one more time. If you didn't get the slurs before, make sure you get them this time. 1 and 2 and 3 and. All right, moving on. Now, if you still need work on the first line, rewind this video, go back and do it again. But if you're ready to move on, let's move on to the next line. Okay? Let's work on these 4 measures. Let's clap and count. 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So this rhythm should be pretty straightforward because we really only have quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. We just have that dotted quarter rhythm over here. Let's say the notes. Say them with me. C, E flat, E flat, D, B flat, C. C, E flat, D, B flat, C. Okay, let's pick up our instrument. We're going to say the notes and finger long in rhythm. Ready and go. C, E flat, E flat, D, B flat, C. C, E flat, D, B flat, C. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do that one more time. Ready and go. C, E flat, E flat, D, B flat, C. C, E flat, D, B flat, C. 2, 3, 4. All right, let's play. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Let's do that one more time. Making sure we get those slurs in there. I need to make sure my airstream is consistent, which is why those low notes weren't coming out. So if you're having that same problem, it's keeping that airstream nice and fast. Ready? 2 and 3 and. Good. Did you catch the decrescendo at the end? All right, let's look at these next one. Now, see what you notice. Before we even go through it, see if you can notice what's up. So if you said they're the same as this part, you're right. So we have C, E flat over here, C, E flat, D, B flat, C, D, B flat, C, C, E flat, D, B flat, C, C, E flat, D, B. They're the same, except this time we're going to play it quiet and crescendo at the end. So let's try that. Let's just go right into playing it. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now, playing low or playing brass instruments and playing quiet in general is difficult. So making sure that airstream is nice and fast, but just let out less air and try to warm up the air just to make it quieter. Let's play this whole second line. Play mezzo forte, getting quieter, piano, then getting louder. Okay, the whole line. 1 and 2 and 3 and and then we got louder. So we can repeat because we have a D, C, alpha, and A. We go back to the beginning. We would play this line again into the F name. Okay. So at this point, we've worked through the whole thing. If you haven't got it quite yet, rewind the video. I don't expect you to learn it all in one sitting. You should do part of it at one day, finish it up the other day. Look out for another video that's going to come going through the entire song. Okay? Nice job.